All right, fellow AMC stockholders, XMAX Trading here. I'm going to go over some pretty amazing DD on Monday, December 6th, 2021. Not 1941, but 2021. So AMC is giving away free NFTs, how you can get one. And this is one per shareholder, not one per stock. But it opens the door, just like the Spider-Man NFT opened the door. I think this is opening a lot more doors. So yeah, click the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video, leave a comment, and let's get started. AMC giving away free NFTs, how you can get one. Largest movie theater company in the world is diving further into NFTs after strong demand from its first offering with the Spider-Man movie. Here's the details on how you can get one. AMC Mondays will offer exclusive NFT to AMC Invest Connector members. Launching on the Wax blockchain, the new NFT will only be available to shareholders of AMC stock and will feature the phrase, "I own AMC." Given AMC's Spider-Man NFT success, our first ever NFT, I am thrilled to announce a second NFT, Adam Aaron said Monday. AMC said it expects to airdrop discounts and other benefits to holders of the new movie NFT. The NFT will be tradable by holders, which is pretty cool. You can trade it. AMC will collect only a small royalty on all transactions made for NFTs. Current AMC Investor Connect will receive AMC NFT free of charge. Those who are shareholders and not AMC Connect members can sign up. So you can sign up to be an AMC Connect member. For AMC Connect by December 31st. Today's the 6th. You got to do it by December 31st to receive access to NFT. The company said NFT will be available to residents in the U.S. and countries where it's legal and where AMC and Wax have the technical capability to do so. Email invitations on obtaining the new AMC NFT was sent out no later than January 31st, 2022. AMC reports that over 425,000 people belong to AMC Investor Connect program. Why it's important. AMC Connect Investor Connect launched in June 2021. Program offers rewards such as free concession items and early screenings of movies to AMC shareholders. AMC can also offers AMC Stubs loyalty program, which could be next in line for NFT, highlighting memberships of the program. This I own AMC NFT is AMC's second NFT. And I can say with certainty there will be more NFTs in AMC's future. Wow, that is amazing, guys. So they can count to some degree of certainty the amount of real shareholders out there, right? It could be 4 million, 5 million, 6 million individual shareholders. Then it comes like, can we do an NFT per movie, NFT per stock? And then try to set up to all the stocks out there, shares out there, and then maybe expose that there's like 5 billion shares when there should be a 500 million float. Their new NFT from AMC comes as a movie theater company partnered with Sony to launch the Spider-Man one. AMC offered 86,000 of NFTs for people who bought tickets. The NFTs featured 100 differently designed themes and were offered to AMC Stubs A-List, Premier, and Invest Connect members. Movie ticket sites crashed due to demand. Yeah, I was there and it crashed. I couldn't get to it. For both NFTs of AMC and overall excitement of Spider-Man movie. AMC is the first movie company to launch an NFT and had hinted earlier this year that the growing asset will play an important part of tickets going forward. Pretty amazing, guys. Pretty amazing. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. I know some people were asking about what's the value of NFTs. Let's figure out what the value of NFTs are. I understand the value of a non-fungible token from medium.com. Definition of NFTs. In the crypto world, there are two types of tokens, fungible and non-fungible. Fungible tokens are like currency. $1 equals $1, regardless of the serial number in the specific bill. A $1 bill can replace any other $1 bill. On the other hand, a non-fungible token are unique and cannot be replaced by any other token. NFTs are used to represent unique digital assets such as CryptoKitties and virtual buildings on Decentraland. NFTs are interesting because their uniqueness and ownership can be verified. They can be utilized across applications by different companies, and they can be traded through secondary markets. These features open up possibilities of new use cases and business models. So it's like a digital baseball card that has utility. NFTs have been widely discussed since it has been standardized by Dapper Labs in 2017. However, adoption has been disappointing. NonFungible.com estimated around 20,000 NFT users per month, which is 4% of the estimated number of DeFi users. The primary reason is that not all NFT features are fully utilized. I would like to explain how NFT can be valued as a function of 4 components and how value can be increased. NFT value framework and opportunities. The value of an NFT is utility plus ownership history plus future value and liquidity premium. Depending on the asset that an NFT represents, value is weighted differently across the 4 components. This framework can be used by investors to evaluate if an NFT is worth investing, and by NFT developers as a way to increase the value of the NFT to attract users and investors. The key takeaway is that NFTs create many new ways of value to be used by both developers and asset owners. Utility. Utility value is dependent upon how the NFT can be used. 2 major categories that have high utility value are game assets and tickets. For example, a rare and powerful crypto Space Commander battleship sold for $45,000 in 2019, and the value of an NFT ticket is the price of an event ticket. The value of an NFT ticket is the price of an event ticket, like a movie ticket. Another dimension of utility is the ability to use the NFT in a different application. Imagine if you can use the same battleship in a different game, the value would definitely be higher. Just people always buying cheats for games to kind of kill you on that. However, it's very challenging to realize interoperability. Currently, 90% of NFT game players are only one game. It's because developers need to build a massive ecosystem of games and provide attractive use cases. Dapper Labs and Engen are both working in that direction. There's many unknowns, requires a lot of time and effort. Another way to increase utility is to achieve a form of partnership with other businesses to provide benefits to people who hold your NFT. For example, Dapper Labs can cooperate with NFT event organizers to negotiate a discount for CryptoKitty owners. With technologies as Alpha Wallet's token script, it's very efficient to authenticate the issuer and owner of NFTs, so event organizers who want participants don't need to do much to implement the partnership. It's a win-win. The ownership history, the value depends on the identity of the issuer and the previous owner. NFTs are a high ownership history value, are often created by or issued by famous artists or companies with strong brand. 2 ways to increase value. First, to co-op with companies or individuals with a strong brand to issue NFT tokens, like AMC. That naturally brings traffic and users to the ecosystem. For example, the first authorized NFT that represents a Formula One car was sold for $113,000. The second way is to resell the NFTs that are previously owned by people who are influential. Currently, it's challenging to find, kind of like art. Currently, it's challenging to find out who are the previous owners, although that's valuable on data. Marketplaces and sellers can easily provide easy-to-use tracking interface to increase the value of NFTs. For example, OpenSea can highlight addresses of investors who make the most money from trading NFTs and list other NFTs they own. Future value. The future value of an NFT can be derived both from the valuation changes and future cash flow. Valuation is driven by speculation and can sometimes be a main driver behind price appreciation. For example, the price of CryptoKitty number 18 jumped from 90 Ethereum to 253 Ethereum in just 3 days in 2017. Some may argue the price movement is driven by valuation is negative to NFTs. But speculation is human nature and is a non-trivial part of the current financial system. If the right balance is made, developers can increase NFT value and attract new users. Valuation is driven by scarcity of supply and speculation. Valuation is driven by scarcity of supply and speculation. Speculation can be guided by including the price performance charts of NFT items or by highlighting NFTs that appreciate in value. The sneaker marketplace, StockX, achieves its $1 billion valuation partly because it creates rare sneakers by encouraging people to speculate on the price of sneakers. The future cash flow is the interest or royalties earned by the original owner of the NFT. For example, Super Rare allows creators of NFT artworks to receive 3% royalty every time their artworks are sold subsequently in the secondary market. In future, companies can borrow concepts from DeFi innovations. NFTs are assets and can be leased and collateralized to create additional cash flow. In a game, there's a demand from players who want a specific game asset for one day to complete a mission. Liquidity premium, high liquidity translates to higher value of NFTs. And conversely, low liquidity equals low value. Liquidity premium is the primary reason why tokens are created on-chain and have a higher value than off-chain assets. ERC standard NFTs can be traded easily without friction on secondary markets with anyone who holds Ethereum, which creates an increased number of potential buyers. Investors prefer to invest in NFT categories that have a high trading volume because liquidity lowers the risk of holding the NFTs. In an extreme scenario, the NFT loses its utility value after the associated platform is closed, A highly liquid NFT still has value people are willing to buy and sell. On the other hand, NFTs that are not based on Ethereum suffer from a lack of liquidity. The value of NFT created on those platforms is often discounted. Companies need to design token economics that encourage users to trade to increase engagement and NFT liquidity. For example, games can force players to swap assets to remain competitive in the game and can depreciate NFT assets if they're idle for too long. So different NFTs, utility, ownership history, future value, liquidity, medium, utility low, ownership history medium, future value high, liquidity high, super rare artwork. Decentraland and My Crypto Heroes have the highest value according to the framework. Their values are confirmed by on-chain data, nonfungible.com. Yeah. So, pretty interesting, pretty dense material, I guess. But yeah, it's like rare digital baseball cards, rare art, and it can be used in games, and it can be traded, and it's pretty amazing time that we live in, guys. So, till next time, leave a comment, and let's go later.